Hey everyone, today we have something exciting to talk about for all you Canon camera enthusiasts out there. We're going to review the highly anticipated Canon EF-EOS R Mount Adapter. This little device is designed to bridge the gap between Canon's EF and RF lens systems, allowing you to use your beloved EF lenses on the latest EOS R mirrorless cameras. It does have a really cool feature that not many people realise, which we'll cover later, but it's a compact and sturdy adapter that connects your EF lenses to the EOS R mirrorless camera bodies. Canon's RF lens systems offer incredible optics and advanced features, but for those who have invested in EF lenses over the years and can't afford to upgrade lenses just yet, this adapter is a game changer. The build quality of the adapter is impressive. It features a robust metal mount that ensures a secure connection between your EF lens and your camera body. It feels solid in your hand and doesn't add much weight to your setup at all. This adapter also has weather sealing, which is great for outdoor shooting in challenging conditions. And one of the key concerns when using adapters is autofocus performance. Thankfully, the mount adapter doesn't disappoint. It utilises Canon's advanced dual pixel CMOS AF system, which delivers quick and accurate autofocus, even with older EF lenses. During my testing and continued use, I found the autofocus performance to be on par with native RF lenses, which is truly remarkable. I have two of these because I have two cameras and I've been using them for a long time, and they are just amazing. I love them. It's very easy to set up. You just line up the red lines on the adapter to your camera body and then attach your lens via the red dot as usual. One of the advantages of the adapter is that it retains full electronic communication between the lens and the camera. This means that all the lens functionalities such as image stabilization and lens data transmission are fully operational. It's a relief to see that Canon hasn't compromised on these essential features. But what's really interesting with this adapter is its ability to maintain full compatibility with Canon's EF-S lenses. So if you have any EF-S lenses laying around in your collection, you can still use them with the adapter and the EOS R camera systems. This is great for photographers who are on a budget and have upgraded to a full-frame mirrorless camera but still have lenses from a crop-sensitive camera. This versatility offers even more value to this adapter. If you want more information and stats on this adapter, just check out the link below. The bonus is it's really affordable. In my opinion, the Canon EF-EOS R Mount Adapter is a must-have accessory for Canon users looking to transition into the world of mirrorless cameras without having to replace their entire lens collection. Its solid build, weather sealing and exceptional autofocus performance make it a reliable choice for professionals and the beginners as well. Plus, with this compatibility with EF-S lenses, you have even more options at your disposal. So if you're a Canon shooter and you've been eyeing the EOS R mirrorless systems, this Canon mount adapter is a must-buy accessory. It ensures that you can continue using your EF lenses without sacrificing image quality or functionality. Well, that's it for our review of this adapter. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, look at the video above. Otherwise, happy shooting.